the end of this video, you will understand why this circuit is called the difference amplifier circuit. So first of all, let's proceed to find out the value of V naught. So first of all, we highlight our constraints. Vp equals Vn. So this is Vp here, the voltage at this node. The voltage at this node is Vn. The current flowing like this is what we call In, and the current flowing here we call it IP. And In equals IP, which is equals to 0. Are you with me? So what is the value of Vp here? If you look closely, you realize that this is a voltage divider circuit. So the voltage Vp is the voltage across the RD resistor, and the voltage across the RD resistor is going to be Vp equals RD over RD plus RC multiplied by VB. Now that aside, let's go ahead and write a nodal equation at this point, and we have it that VA minus Vn over RA, VA minus Vn over RA, then we have V naught plus V naught minus Vn over RB plus V naught minus Vn over RB equals 0, because it is going to be equals to In. It's going to be equals to In, which is equals to 0. Now we can then substitute the value of Vp here, because Vp is equals to Vn. We will have it that Va minus Rd over Rd plus Rc Vb all over Ra plus V naught minus Rd over Rd plus Rc Vb over Rb equals 0. We can multiply through by Ra Rb, and we would have it that Rb into Va minus Rd over Rd plus Rc Vb plus V naught Rb minus Rb Rd over Rd plus Rc Vb equals 0. Sorry, this was supposed to be Ra, and this was supposed to be Ra. Okay, we can rewrite this as Rb Va minus Rb Rd over Rd plus Rc Vb minus Ra Rd Vb over Rd plus Rc equals minus V naught Ra. Factorizing Rd over Rd plus Rc out here, you would have that Rb Va minus that would be Rd into Ra plus Rb Vb over Rd plus Rc equals minus V naught Ra. You can then proceed to divide both sides by minus Ra, and would have it that V naught is equals to Rd over Ra plus Rb Vb over RA into RD plus RC minus RB over RA VA, and this is the value of V naught here. And you can see that this is some gain and VB here, and another gain and VA here. So we can say that the output is a difference of scaled off versions of the input. Take for example a situation where RA over RB, RA over RB is equals to RC over RD. When these two when we have a ratio like this equation simplifies to V naught equals RB over RA into VB minus VA. That is when this ratio applies.